Hello, good morning. I have these socks on. I'm trying. Good morning, Hutchison. I'm trying these heatless curls. I have the other ones that go over the top that you buy on Amazon or whatever, but I kept seeing the fuzzy sock method. Wanted to give it a go, so we're doing that. I'm gonna try to get y'all set up while I make my coffee. You can see the roses Morgan got me. I did a photo shoot. I'm not sure if that is a separate video or if it's this video. If I'm gonna make it two videos or one. But I did a photo shoot for, I do call it a brand photo shoot, which is so weird, but starting my web design business, I needed photos for my website, obviously. So I rented a camera, borrowed a friend, borrowed her house, took some photos, and they turned out really cute. Whenever I got home that day, because I took a day off of work to do it, and whenever I got home, he had these beautiful dozen red roses. So good. So anyways, we're about to start our day, make some coffee, and then I'm going to get ready. I'm going to brunch with some of my high school friends, actually. We've been trying to get brunch monthly, but took a couple breaks around our weddings because there's 3 of us going, but 2 of us got married a week apart from each other. And then another one, actually no, all 3 of us got married a week apart from each other, but one of the girls eloped. So we're having our first brunch back and our wedding recaps, which I was at one of their weddings and one of them was at our wedding, but obviously not the one who just got married the week before, if that makes sense. We were all invited, but it was crazy. And then right after my wedding, the other one eloped while we were still in Colorado. So it was just a fun time, and we're excited to do a wives recap. So that should be fun. But I'm going to start by making a little bit of a coffee, actually a whole coffee, not just a little bit. I'm using the Nescafe Gold, and I've kept it in this little pumpkin. Let me see if I still have. Yeah, so why I kept this, I couldn't tell you, but this is what it is. If you want to screenshot, it's just espresso powder, super fine, and you just mix it with water. So I'm gonna make that. We're gonna go get ready for the day, get ready for some brunch. We're going to this place, and they, on the menu, have breakfast nachos and bacon fried rice. Yes, I want both of those. Definitely the fried rice. I think I might go with that, but I've been looking forward to this for a couple days since I saw the menu, so I'm pumped. Oh my God. Is that so for real right now? Oh my God. I am having a morning right now. Oh my goodness. She still has some of this protein shake, so I'm just gonna go in with this. Have a little protein this morning. Okay. I did this on clean hair. Oh my God. Of course, everybody else's looked like bouncy waves, and mine are Shirley Dimple. Okay, we're gonna fluff this out. Hopefully it will fall a little, and I'll show you the final product before I leave for brunch. Okay, so this is where we're at. Pretty much fell a little bit. I fixed the front pieces, kind of fixed the bottom so they weren't so crazy, but kind of just looks like how it always looks. I'm gonna try again tonight and try not to do it so tight, and then maybe won't have to brush it out so much and touch up and stuff, but it looks, I mean, it's okay. It's definitely super curled, so we'll go with that. I'm just wearing this Old Navy button down, huge Target, little hoops, my normal jewelry. This M necklace, I switched from my old one. Okay, my camera died. Target earrings. M necklace is from Old Navy, actually. I'm just wearing normal black leggings. I think they're from Amazon. And these are
I think Steve Madden shoes, also from Amazon. And I just have my normal jewels. Kinder Scott cuff. The silver one is Amazon dupe for whatever that brand is. It's not coming to my mind. These little beaded ones are BB Lila. I got them at a boutique. Obviously my wedding ring and wedding band. I'm just wearing this pearl, which is also from a boutique. I believe the brand is BB Lila for that. It's just like gold with little like diamonds and a pearl. So cute. So there's that. Yerman. That's what I'm looking for. This silver one is a dupe for David Yerman. So, jewels. We got a big delivery. I got a new treadmill, a smaller one that's more like streamlined and has a screen. If y'all remember the bike I had, it's the same brand, and I love that bike so much that biking just started hurting my back, so I switched to the treadmill, my mom's old one, and now we're gonna switch to this. We are super grateful to YESOUL for sponsoring today's video and giving us this amazing treadmill. I have had YESOUL products before and they are always 10 out of 10, and I'm super grateful to have this treadmill. It is so perfect for our small space up front because it folds up nice and sleek. Honestly, the whole design is really sleek. I'll probably leave ours unfolded, but it's really good to know that it folds up. It's also easy to move. It has wheels on the bottom. I can move it around by myself. I'm only 5'4", and it's super simple. So we love that. Morgan said it's one of the easier things that we've ever put together, which is amazing. I was obviously supervising, as was our dog Chance, but he put it together super quickly. The instructions were really clear, and you can see here I'm just folding it down, very easy. It actually comes down just with the air pressure. I wasn't sure exactly, but you can see it just kind of finishes unfolding itself, which is awesome. Once you plug your phone in, it also just projects right on that screen, which is huge. It's over 20 inches. And I love to watch YouTube while I'm walking. You'll already know that. So I'm catching up with Nicole Burgess on this day. The speed and the start and stop are controlled from those side arm bars, which I think is perfect. I feel like more treadmills should have that design. It's super convenient. And then also on the screen, as you're updating the speed, it will show you your miles per hour, how many calories burned, and how far you've gone. So super awesome. The clarity on the screen is perfect. The speaker is super loud, and that red button controls the volume. So this thing is super cool. You can get $100 off with my link down below. So check out YESOUL if you're in the market for a treadmill. Y'all, that grocery trip reminded me why I do grocery pickup. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. My cart, like, I don't know, I didn't notice it first because I guess I was only turning like left for a while, and then I started to need to make right turns. The cart like would not go right. So I would have to go to the front of the cart to like push it, like, or pull it, I guess. Oh my gosh, like, and with a busy freaking grocery store, it was like, you know, you're trying to maneuver around people. Everyone's bringing their, you know, whole freaking family to the grocery store, all 7 generations, and it was chaos. So much so that I had to reward myself with a Coke Zero on ice. There's just something about a styrofoam cup, a Coke Zero and a styrofoam cup, that really does it for me. So that was my reward, but we got some good stuff. There was a couple things that I wanted that they didn't really have, like carrots. It was too chaotic for me to think of like, go look at the organic carrots or like look at a different carrot type, but like I wanted the carrot sticks, and all of them were like disgusting. So I didn't get those. I ended up getting cucumber instead to go with my hummus, but I feel like we got some good stuff for the week. Yeah, I don't know. I'll show you the little grocery haul whenever I get home, but my brain, I was so overstimulated. I drove all the way to the store, which is like literally 2 seconds from my house, in silence. I was just like, it was one of those. It was one of those shopping trips. And I did not save any money. I feel like I spent $107, and the only household item I got was cat litter, and I didn't even get the big one. I got like the small one because I knew I was gonna have to put it in the car by myself. Morgan's at home. He's gonna grill out for us. Well, maybe, because now it looks like it's gonna rain, so I don't know. But it was a lot, and $107, and like
mostly, I don't even know. I'll show you all the grocery haul. Like, I just can't believe it was $107. But we'll get there in a minute. Okay, see you there. Okay, I was gonna set y'all up like this, but I think actually I'm just gonna turn the camera around. It might be better. All right, here it is. This is what $107 looks like, minus the cat litter. We do buy expensive eggs. I'm aware of that. These are not cheap. These are literally almost $5 a piece. They're like $4. I think they were on sale for $4.28. I know that Costco has ones, but they're not these. So this is what I want, and they don't have these at Costco. At least at our Costco they don't. So I buy them at H-E-B. But I got 2 chocolate for our protein puddings that we do with the pudding mix. I actually forgot to buy the pudding mix, but luckily we still have 2 left over, so we have that. I got a strawberry one because I was gonna get a vanilla pudding mix for Morgan. He likes that combo, but I forgot it, so I'll have to pick that up later. And then I got 2 of the Elite Vanillas. This is what I use in my coffee, about half a day for my morning iced coffees. I did get some little sodies, Coke Zero and Dr. Pepper Zero, just for the fridge. Also picked up another one of these. I already had this once, the Winter Wonderland by Alani Nu. I really like it. I will say a lot of their flavors all taste identical, but it's fine by me because I like that flavor, so I'm a fan. I feel like it kind of has like a vanilla-ish finish. I don't know. I like it. I got just my unsweet sparkling water. I got the store brand pita chips, the chili lime. This is so good with their hummus, and I did pick up hummus. Got some Italian style smoked chicken sausage. This has mozzarella cheese. I thought this could be super good on the grill. And then I also got the Cajun style, so I figured Morgan could just cook up both of those packs one night for us. I got an extra thing of ground beef, but we already do have 3 pounds. But yeah, I mean, Morgan's eating a lot of ground beef right now, so 4 should at least get us through most of the week. I got some light sour cream, just the store brand because it was cheaper. I got the Good Culture cottage cheese, which this actually is not that expensive. I think it was like $3.50 at my store. I feel like that's pretty good. I picked up the smashed avocado minis. These aren't the guac. They're just like straight avocado. For like some taco bowls. We're going to have some breakfast burritos for the week that I think we're also going to end up just eating tonight for dinner. So I might have this with that. Trying to eat more fruits and vegetables. So I got some cotton candy grapes so I can take these to work with me every day. I'm going to try to get through those this week by myself. Morgan doesn't really love the cotton candy grapes. And I got a squash and 2 zucchini. And those with this mushroom, I'm gonna cook that all up together and have a little vegetable medley to go with like dinners for the week. I just got a seedless cucumber to go with my roasted red pepper hummus. So that's a little snack. I got some basil because I have some, what is it called? Orzo that I want to use up, and some sun-dried tomatoes. So I thought some fresh basil with that and some chicken stock. I'll just cook that on the stove here in a minute and just have it as a nice like side for dinner for the week. I have some feta too, so I think that could be super good. And then again, the Vital Farms eggs. I got a 10-pack of those, plus the cat litter, and that's everything. So I was about to cut this cucumber and I'm ripping the like plastic off. Look at it. Disgusting. Disgusting. It's like wet, and I think that is mold. It's moldy in there. Disgusting. Great. That is so irritating. I'm having quite the day with the store, and now I can see there's like a color change. Do you see that from like light green to dark? Oh, that's irritating. I was just about to have some too.